Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily enable or disable the HD audio in your Soundcore Liberty 5. To enable the HD audio in this device, the first thing that you need to do is to open the settings. Scroll down till you see the About Phone section and scroll down till you see the where is that? Build number. Tap build number until you see you are now a developer. Then go back, tap system, here scroll down, where here developer options. Now straight from the developer options you need to scroll down, but very slowly till you see the HD audio option. Not working. Here they have Bluetooth, HD audio. Make sure that this HD audio is enabled. Don't let it be like this. Tap to enable. Now as you can see, they have AAC or SBC. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.